Lamia Abdusalam Alcazar, namumuhay dito sa Malusog. May 4 na anak. Nung panahon na wala pa kaming bahay, isa ako sa mga mamamayan ng Malusog na nakatira sa kung saan-saan lang. Walang permanenteng address at walang permanenteng bahay. Minsan napapalayas, minsan san-san lang. Kaya maraming salamat at ngayon ay nabigyan na kami ng bahay. Na ako mag-aalala sa tuwing natutulog ako, madaling buksan yung pinto namin o kaya may bagyong parating, lilipad yung atip namin o lilipad yung dingding namin. Ngayon po, hindi na ako mag-aalala kasi matibay na yung bahay namin at maganda. Kaya maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa Bangsamoro Government, lalo na sa MHSD dahil nabigyan kami ng housing. Dahil po napakaganda na ngayon ang aming community. At gusto pa namin, marami pa kasamahan namin mabigyan ng housing.
Of the date, the MHSD implements a total of 4,443 housing units, of which 1,107 were completed, 600 units were already awarded, and the remaining 2,286 units are under construction, and 1,050 units are in the pipeline.
I congratulate you on your house and may you create happy memories with your family and friends in your new home. Isa ito sa programa natin na mapabahay natin inshallah ang lahat ng bangsamoro.
We are hoping that the beneficiaries of these housing units will build in their houses. I hope gawin nilang tahanan ang kanilang mga bahay para we will be able to attain a progressive Bangsamoro community. Alam niyo, this is what is priority project itong pabahay. Hopefully, we'll be able to reach out to all corners of the Bangsamoro territory.